Hi, welcome to MechLink. Today we are exploring a local retail shop that specializes in excavator seal parts. At MechLink, we are committed to providing high-quality, genuine parts to keep your machinery running at its best. And let's take a closer look at what's available here. These parts are carefully sorted and ready for assembly. These individual components are essential for ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance in your equipment. Here we have a wide selection of excavator seal parts. Each piece is designed for specific models and applications. As you can see, our staff is selecting various models of assembling them together for packaging. We offer a wide range of excavator seal parts in various styles, models, and brands. Whether you need individual seals or complete kits for assembly, we have got you covered. Need help finding the right part? Drop a comment below and we'll guide you to the perfect match.